How to fix screw-in gate hinges, also known as pintle hinges. These things are great until they're not. See, they get wallered out in the post and they get real loose and your gate starts sagging. Here's an old farmer's trick on how to fix that. Find you a little bit of pressure-treated board, something that's going to last and hold up. Carefully cut it in little strips. Think about shish kebab skewers. That's about the size you want. You're going to want to make 5 or 6 for each hole, but it's good to have extras just so you can size them appropriately. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing or liking the video. Next, you're going to take the shims you just made and start putting them in the hole. You're going to put enough in there to where it starts filling up the hole, but not completely. Purely for aesthetics, take a flush cut saw and cut your shims off flush with the post. The idea is the shims will take the slack and waller out of the hole. And because it's wood, it'll expand and contract with the temperature and the moisture. That's important because that's what's going to keep your gate hinge tight moving forward. As you screw your lag back in, you'll notice it's how much tighter it is. Don't over tighten it because you risk splitting the post. Thanks for watching, guys.